You are welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition. And in this video, we are looking at interpreting histogram. Now, in our previous lesson, we saw how to draw histogram. Now, what we want to look at is when the graph is given to you and it's histogram, how do you interpret the histogram? We'll take an example and look at it. Let's say you are given this graph, which is the annual rainfall of cities. So we've graphed the number of cities against annual rainfall in inches. And so each bar represents a particular rainfall. Okay. And then the number of cities that have that range of rainfall. So starting from 26 to 28, from 28 to 30. So it's like this, 26 to 28. And that gave us two cities. Sorry, that gave us three cities. Then from 28, we go to 30, and that gave us two cities, and it goes on and on and on. That is how they represented the data. So now the question is, how many cities could have an annual rainfall of 28 to 32 inches? Okay, now with 28 to 30, we have two cities. You see that? So I can say two cities. Plus between 30 also to 32, we have four cities. So plus 4. Together will give us 6 cities. That means the number of cities that will have their rainfall between the range of 28 to 32 inches, there are 6 cities. Then again, how many intervals could represent an annual rainfall of 30 inches to 36 inches? And you can see from the graph that between 30, so 30 is here, and then 36 is also here. How many intervals are involved? We have 1, 2, 3 intervals. So we can say 3 intervals could represent the annual rainfall that lies between 30 inches to 36 inches. Good. Let's take another example and see. This is test scores of Mrs. Smith's first block class. And we have the test scores here against the frequency. So here they said if 85 is the lowest score a student can aim to receive B, how many students receive at least B? Okay, if 85 is the lowest score for a student to receive B, how many students receive at least B? Now from the graph, we can see that the point here is the beginning of 85 and above. So if the lowest score is 85, then anybody who receives from 85 and above will be receiving the score of B or the B, because they said the lowest score for student to earn B is that. So how many people will get at least B? That means either B or more is going to be from 85. So for the first range of marks, we have 6 students involved. Then the second range also give us 4, and so we are going to get 6 plus 4, and that will give us 10. That means 10 students are going to get at least B in this very test. I'm sure this lesson has been of great help to you. Thanks so much for watching.